happy. Yeah, shit nice.
Trust me.
Why? You know that I really like you. I don't see nobody else, but I want you. Why do you play around, play games when you know that I really like you? Yeah, we been in and out the games, baby. You keep on playing with your love, what the fuck, shorty? I thought you love me, baby girl, I give you love, honey. I thought you want me, baby girl, would you love me too? Why do you play games with me? You play games in my heart, I give you all of me. I give you all of me, shorty, would you give me all of you? I want your body in my arms, shorty. Yeah, let's get it real. I'll give you true love, I'll give you the life you never had. I know I'm a thug, yeah. I come from a hood, yeah, I started broke, shorty. Now I got the cash, all the honeys love me now. Yeah, I treat you right, I give you everything. I treat you right, treat you like a queen. Yeah, treat you like a... Yeah, I go through a lot nowadays. I don't even know what I go through. Sipping on the lean, puffing on the blunts, baby, I can never heal. I don't know what I need, all I need is you. I don't know what I go through. I'm losing my mind every day, I'm getting confused. I'm stuck with the lot that we used to have. Can't face the facts that we broke up now. Can't forget you, can't forget you, can't forget you, can't forget you, yeah. Can't forget about the love we shared. I miss the times that we had together. I go to my phone, look at your pictures. I'm still stuck with the love, yeah. Give me a second chance, could you just come around? Let's talk about this shit, it wouldn't be hard. Can we fix it? Can we make it right? What can I do to show you that I want you back? I can't stay without you, no I can't. I can't stay without you, no I can't. Now I need you, want you.